Did you know there's a diesel V8 that's been a favorite for heavy-duty work for years? We're talking about the GM 6.6 Duramax, developed by General Motors together with Isuzu. This engine is built to last. It has a cast iron block, aluminum cylinder heads, a forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods, plus aluminum alloy pistons. In short, materials designed to withstand quite a beating. We find it mainly in trucks, like the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD and 3500 HD, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD, and also in commercial vehicles like the Chevrolet Express and GMC Savannah. It even made it into the 2006 Hummer H1 Alpha. And why do so many mechanics respect it? Because when it gets good maintenance, it can reach hundreds of thousands of kilometers without asking for retirement. It's not a perfect engine, of course, but its reputation for being tough is well earned. Mind you, working on it isn't always fun. The engine bay of some GM trucks leaves very little room, so repairs like the turbo or head gaskets can turn into a real headache and a pretty big bill. It has also had its problems. In the early LB7s, the injectors caused quite a few headaches, and GM even extended the warranty. In the LLYs, there were quite a few cases of overheating when working hard, and one of the most serious problems appeared in the MLLs equipped with the Bosch CP4 high-pressure pump, which could fail and contaminate the entire fuel system with metal particles. The good news is that GM corrected many of these problems with the newer generations. For example, the L5P, introduced in 2017, left the CP4 behind and uses a Denso HP4 pump, considerably reducing that risk. In more modern Duramax engines, there are also systems like DPF, SCR, and DF. So other potential headaches appear, especially with sensors, heaters, and emission system components. Although this engine is of good quality, I recommend you take a look at this other one you're seeing on the screen. See you soon!